What is artificial intelligence? Welcome to this presentation on artificial intelligence, often called AI. Today, we'll explore what AI means, its types, applications, and the opportunities and challenges it brings. Definition: Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think, learn, and make decisions, much like humans do. Simply put, AI allows computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Key characteristics: AI systems can learn from data, solve problems, and adapt to new situations. They improve over time and are capable of mimicking human reasoning. These characteristics make AI a powerful tool in modern technology. Types of AI: There are three main types of AI. Narrow AI, which is specialized in one task, like voice assistants. General AI, which can think and reason like a human across different fields, though it's still a concept. And superintelligent AI, which would surpass human intelligence, a topic of much debate and imagination. Applications of AI: AI is already part of our daily lives. We see it in virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars, healthcare diagnostics, fraud detection systems in banking, and robots that perform automation tasks. Its applications are vast and rapidly expanding. Benefits of AI: The benefits of AI are numerous. It increases efficiency by automating tasks, supports data-driven decision-making, improves accuracy, and enhances user experiences. From business to healthcare, AI helps us achieve better results faster. Challenges of AI: However, AI also comes with challenges. Ethical concerns, such as bias in algorithms, are critical issues. AI may also lead to job displacement. Data privacy is another concern, along with the risk of becoming too dependent on technology. Conclusion: In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming industries and everyday life. It brings immense opportunities for growth and innovation, but it must be developed and used responsibly to ensure it benefits society as a whole.